Well, hello. Hello and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. It has been quite a day for me already. Woke up very early because my kiddo wasn't feeling very well, so I had to deal with that, and then I wanted to go for, which no one is complaining about. Then I had to, which I am complaining about, go for a bike ride early because I wanted to wash my hair, and I have this internalized guilt from days when I was really this mindset of like, I cannot go wash my hair if I want to go for a workout later or for a run. So I started like going for runs in the morning, and then I would shower and wash my hair and everything because I was like, I cannot afford to shower twice a day, which I'm extremely grateful that I don't have to worry about that anymore, but I still care about that, if that makes any sense. So been up for a bit, went for that bike ride, had to cut that short, and that's completely fine. Because, you know, fitness journey is not a linear growth, so don't feel bad if it's a lot of ups and downs. It was a lot of ups and downs for us too. It has been a lot of ups and downs for us, even if we have been going to gym for a very long time. Whoever tells you otherwise, just don't listen to them. It's back to work day. I do want to do my makeup. I might have some important calls that I will have to deal with, so I don't want to come in like full on dramatic goth makeup, just in case I need to be like, I'm a professional woman. But so we're going back to the new Nude by Huda Beauty, and gonna play with some purple, with some violets, and then we're gonna have to do our nails on our first go. Today I'm going back to the eye primer. That's a lot. Looks more like foundation rather than a primer for your walls. It's not white, it's tinted. Putty primer by e.l.f. that I'm using has been great for like daily, don't care about makeup, I'm just gonna do my thing, everything is fine. I want to see if this one is really, if this one holds the expectations that I've got as to it's a bit more durable. I have some scrubbing to do later today after I'm done with work, and we'll see how the makeup survives. I do want to do the purple eye makeup, but I wanted to try to use face tape to have that sharp crease here. I have little guys. I have been told by a makeup artist on YouTubies that this is fine, that I don't have to buy face tape, and this is going to work just fine. Wait, why is my phone going off? Okay, one more time. Are these the same? Not even a little bit. Theoretically this could work. Let's hope that we meet no one with OCD, no one but me. We're just not going to talk about it anymore, okay? So going in, we're starting strong with a shade called Lace. I'm going in with a blending brush and focusing on the crease. How do I normally do this? Going all over. This is a very lovely purple. Do I need to turn on the lights? I thought that natural light will carry us through this today. Alright, still with the same shade called Lace. Okay, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I am gonna go in the Love Bite because I'm feeling adventurous. So that's what we're gonna do. Still blending brush into the corner, into the crease, sorry, and back and forth. We're not afraid, everything is fine. A little bit of circular motion here to bring it forward. But then back and forth and blending in. I'm starting to feel how people who observe Christmas are getting into the state of frenzy. Lots of people everywhere, lots of shoppers. My colleagues are talking about it, as in the stress is getting to them slowly, which is not great. So hopefully everyone is doing okay. Everyone's taking care of their mental health. I understand that for many this is just a stressful period, and I am keeping you in my thoughts. For me, it's not a stressful period per se, only because I made it not stressful. I've refused to ruin Christmas for me, and we created a very different version of Christmas. Eating good food. I cook a lot because I love doing that. It's genuinely my chill time. We're doing a lot of that. We're doing a lot of movies, lots of nothing, because I did get to take summer break, but not all of us do. And those people need to rest, although they hate it. I'm gonna force them into this chill vibe, chill energy everywhere. Alright, so just a confirmation. I am quite happy with the purple. I'm gonna take a smudge brush and I'm gonna go into... I do want to go with the Daydream because it's next to the lace one, and I feel like it is for a reason, right? Like it marries into each other very well. So we're gonna do that. So we're gonna get a bunch of that beautiful metallic shimmery shade on a smudge brush, and we're gonna go over this top just that little spot so that we get some glitter over there. Really nothing drastic. And now I'm gonna grab the blending brush and I'm gonna go back into lace. First eyeshadow. Tidy the blend. Just make sure everything works well. I will want to go into my corner. Now you could go into the corners of your eyelids with the glimmery shade to keep it like consistent. I'm gonna go in with my highlighter because I just love the rosy sparkle. Now take these off. Cute. It's not pleasant, but survivable. Eye cream. I'm gonna be very careful not to go into the crease because the liquid would disturb that lovely sharp crease we've created, but I do want to get in there as close as I can. I don't think I need much of that dark concealer that I use, so I'll just be quite conservative with it. Lighter concealer. Going back into the lace eyeshadow with a smudge brush, and I'm just gonna trace my lower lid. I should have done this for the concealer. The highlighter. Drag it a bit further on the lower lid. Okay, that looks nice. Mascara time. I think I need to order a new one. I think I already said that. Alright, last thing, setting powder. I'm going back to the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Shade Butter, which I'm hopefully running out of so that we can get rid of it. Great powder, I just now have 2. Well, 3 technically, but 2 loose powders. Again, I'll try not to disturb that lovely line that we've created with our washi tape. Can you see the difference how the camera works? Like why even unfiltered influencers look good on camera when they work with professional lighting and good powder? Because like this is natural light. Having the benefit of good skin, that little bit of powder makes massive difference. Okay, I think we're done here. What do you guys think? Are we gonna stick with the washi tape? It works, it hurts, and that's it. So yeah, I'm just happy that I didn't have to buy another piece of makeup that I will not necessarily need. Anyway, thanks for coming to day 9. I'm kind of into this slight purple ombre, whatever. Time to knuckle down and get some work done, log on to some calls, get my nails done on those calls. Welcome to Monday, happy Monday. If it's already over, good for you. Let me know how that went, and I'll see you for day 10 tomorrow. Bye!